Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us Mr. Achal Patel, Head Operation Valgro India Limited. It's good to meet you, Achal ji. Today is day two. Yesterday we had one of the biggest, launch of machines in at your booth. At least it was a jam-packed area when you launched the machine. How was day one for you? And what sort of machines and technology you have displayed and launched?
As you said, day one was fantastic for us, and we have launched two new innovations. One is RBM 24 and one is DB 36.
Okay.
So in that machine, we have launched a new edge rounding technology,
Okay.
as well as edge breaking technology.
Okay.
And for that, we have also introduced IoT, in which you can operate the machine from anywhere in the world.
Okay. And people coming to your booth, visitors, what they can expect at your booth?
So visitors can expect a live demonstration of our all the machines which we have displayed, which includes deburring, finishing, edge rounding, edge breaking, and many more.
And lastly, your booth is in Hall 4. Can you let our audience know how to come to your booth? Your hall and stall number?
Our hall number is 4 and stall number is A107. So come visit us and see the live demonstration.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see latest technology on deburring, metal finishing, do come to Valgro India booth. Meet Achal, and have a coffee. Thank you, Achal.
Thank you.
Thank you.